Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mac checking back in with another video. As always, I got to give a shout out to the old subscribers, the new subscribers, and even the people that's just passing through and just checking out the video. So shout out to everybody who support the channel. Really appreciate it. So today we got another dope on feed, another dope video for y'all. This is my third video this week, so your boy's been on the grind, putting out this content for y'all. And I appreciate everybody who watch every single video, everybody who comments all the time. Much appreciated, and it definitely does not, go unnoticed. So with that being said, let's get into the review. So as you can tell by the title, we got the Fear of God, the Air Raids. These dropped this past Saturday, and I picked them up off the Sneakers app. And I'm a big fan of Jerry Lorenzo. I think he a dope dude. I like, his creativity. I like his thought process, just who he is as a person. I think he's a dope dude, and he continues to put out, great products. I didn't get the original hot top Fear of God ones. I really wanted, and I still do want the all black ones, but the prices for those, they're going down, but they still kind of crazy. But I was able to cop these Fear of God Air Raids. Obviously, these were a lot easier to pick up than the Fear of God ones, but nonetheless, it's still a dope sneaker. A lot of people don't really like this sneaker, and a lot of people do. So it's like, it's no middle ground. Either you like it or you don't. And I'm one of the people that liked it, and I was definitely glad I was able to scoop these up. I think it's a really nice sneaker. I think you have to know how to wear this sneaker in order to make it look good. You know what I'm saying? This sneaker is not for everybody. You have to know how to wear it. You have to know what type of jeans to have. And that may sound silly to some people, but in order to get the most out of this sneaker, in my opinion, you got to know what and how to wear it with. And that's why I do these on feet videos. So I'm not going to do a close-up. I really don't feel like it. It's a lot of other videos out there for that. But I'm pretty sure you guys know what this sneaker looks like by now. The materials on this shoe is A1, and I also want to say that this shoe is very comfortable. When I put these on my feet, I wasn't expecting them to be this comfortable. I wear 11.5 to a 12, and I went with the 11.5. That's all I could get. And I was kind of worried that they may run small, but they definitely run true. So you don't have to worry about getting a size up or size down. I mean, you can, depending on your foot type, but for me, I went with an 11.5, and I was cool. But like I said, I'm gonna try to give y'all a little close up. The materials on these are really nice, man. I like the shoe, man. I'm definitely a fan of this sneaker. It's definitely premium materials on here. And for those of you who don't know, basically what he did was he took the Air Raid, which is an original Nike sneaker, and he just remixed it and put some Fear of God flavor on it, and he came out with a dope sneaker. You know what I'm saying? So kudos to Jerry Lorenzo for having a dope idea. I think he said the Air Raid was one of his favorite shoes growing up, so that's why he chose to kind of freak this shoe and turn it into something dope. One thing I will say, the only thing that I don't like about this sneaker, but one thing I felt like he could have did better, I don't know if you guys can see, it's a Nike, the Nike check right here. It's in all black. I wish he would have made that white or some type of lighter color to make the shoe stand out more. You know what I'm saying? That's my only criticism of the sneaker. I just wish that Nike check would have been white. On the gray pair, the swoosh is black. I like the gray pair a lot better than the black pair, but like I said, both sneakers are dope. And again, man, this shoe is not for everybody. Everybody is not gonna be a fan. Everybody don't fuck with Fear of God, but I thought these was clean, and I'm glad I was able to cop. But we're gonna go ahead and get to what y'all came here to see, which is the on feed. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so now that you guys have seen what the Fear God 1 Air Raid look like on feet, it's time for y'all to leave y'all opinion, leave your comments, let me know what you think about this sneaker. I felt like I did a great job as usual with the on feet, and I feel like my review / on feet for this particular sneaker is the best on YouTube. I'm not trying to be cocky. I've watched tons of videos, tons of on feet reviews before my sneakers came in, and I just wasn't impressed by any on feet that I saw on YouTube. So to me, I did the best on feet for these, and I feel like my video gives you the best look and the best way to rock these sneakers, because like I said before, this sneaker is not easy to rock. You know what I'm saying? If you want it to look good, if you just put it on and don't take the time to make it look better, because when you get these sneakers, they come choked up, like the straps are tightened up, the laces are tightened up, and I actually seen a lot of people, a lot of reviewers just reviewing them, you know, with the kicks choked up. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's not what we do here on this channel. You know what I'm saying? We give you the best look, the best idea. So if you're in the market for this sneaker or you already have it, we give you the best idea on how to rock these kicks. So basically for me, I unloosen the straps up. I feel like, you know, rocking these with the straps on is a no-no. You know what I'm saying? I haven't seen any reviews or any shots with people wearing these strapped up that look dope to me, and that's just my personal opinion. So give you another close-up. This is how I have my pair. And again, man, somebody may watch this video and think my on feet is trash, or think that the way that I have them laced up is trash. But to me, this is the best way to lace your Fear Gods, the Air Raid joints right here. It just looks cleaner. And also, man, if you got them strapped up, it just look goofy to me, man. But also, these shoes did come with an extra pair of white laces, which I do not recommend putting in. Again, you can do what you want with your stuff, but I won't be putting in these white laces. But it's cool that they added, you know, extra pair of laces. But other than that, man, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I know this is a hype sneaker, but I really genuinely like this shoe. I'm just surprised at how comfortable this sneaker is. I didn't expect it to be this comfortable. I know a lot of people, I watched a lot of videos, and a lot of people were saying that the hot top, the original Fear God ones, were somewhat uncomfortable to them after a while. Again, I haven't worn these officially yet. I've just had them on for the on feet, and they were super comfortable, man. So hopefully, you know, when I do wear these out, which I plan on rocking these really soon, they, you know, remain comfortable throughout, you know, the duration of the day. Finally, I want you guys to leave your opinion on which pair of jeans you thought went best with these. So for me, I thought, as usual, man, the camos is undefeated with these. I thought the camos was dope, and I also thought the dark gray denim was dope as well. And also the light denim was okay with it. It didn't look as good as I thought they would look with these, but if I had to pick, I would pick the camo and the dark gray. And so that's another tip for you guys. If you're trying to style these, I would stay away from dark jeans. I would stay away from all black jeans. They just don't look good. This shoe is already dark, you know what I'm saying? So I would stay away from dark jeans. I know I showed dark joggers, but that was just to help you guys out, or to give you guys an idea, or to, you know, show y'all. But I would not recommend wearing dark jeans with these. But that is pretty much it, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you comment, and if you want to, you know what I'm saying, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You know, if you was feeling my video, you thought I did a great job with the on feet, man, go ahead and feel free to subscribe and show love to the channel. And once again, man, thank you to everybody who support the channel, all my old subscribers. Y'all the best subscribers out there, man. Y'all show constant love, so thank y'all. Again, man, stay tuned. I got a lot more videos I'm working on right now. I'm just kind of editing them and just getting them out to y'all. So I appreciate y'all rocking with the kid, and I'll see y'all in the next video.